These apps can pay you over 3,000 cedis over the span of a week. And a lot of people are making money from it daily. And these are legit apps, legit financial apps that I have used myself. And so I couldn't just keep this myself. Let me share with you guys so that we can all earn money from this together. And the great part about it is that these apps are all licensed by the relevant authorities in Ghana. All you need to do is to download them, install them, follow the steps I'm going to talk about in the video, and that is it. You will start earning from there. But remember, which is something which is very, very important. The reason why you can earn that much money, because one of these apps will actually pay you in dollars. And so if you want to know which one that is, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and then we will talk more. Welcome to Daily News Hive. I am your host Joshua, where we talk about anything finance, anything business, anything money, because we want to help you to create your first millions in Ghana. So let's jump straight into the video. The first app we're going to talk about is everybody's favorite loan app. That's the Fido app. Did you know that instead of just taking loans from Fido, you can also get something from Fido? Well, if you didn't know, that is why I'm here to tell you. You can actually get 55 cedis every time you refer a friend to Fido, and the person clicks on your referral link when they are signing up, you get 55 cedis. So this means that if you get 10 people to use Fido, that is 550 cedis. Very simple. All you need to do is just go to the app. You have to create your account first. You use your Ghana card, picture orders. Then you go to your profile, and then you get a referral link, and then you use them. And that's very simple. With this, you'll be able to earn 55 Ghana cedis anytime you refer someone to them. Very simple. I mean, if you don't like this, what else do you want? And this means that you're not even taking a loan yourself. Right? You are just referring people to the app, and then you are getting your money. And that's very, very simple. This is the icon of the app. In case you're looking for it on the App Store or the Play Store, you don't know how it looks like. This is it. Remember, Fido app. Now, the second one, which is actually one of my favorites, is no stranger than the Bamboo app. Now, if you don't know Bamboo app, then you are missing out, because the Bamboo app allows Ghanaians and Nigerians to invest in the US stock market. I mean, you can invest in companies like Google, Amazon, Tesla, Facebook, which is Meta. I mean, you have been spending a lot of time on Facebook and Instagram. Why not own some of the shares? I mean, so if you're interested in also investing and owning some of the shares, use the link down in the description or use my referral code to sign up on the app so that you can start investing in US stocks. But then how do you make money from it daily without investing? That is to use the Bamboo referral program. How does it work? Anytime somebody uses your referral code to download the app and then buy their first stock, you get 2.5% of the amount. What this means is that if somebody buys $100 worth of stocks, you get $2.05 without doing anything. You get $2.05 sent to you, and you just redeem it, and that is it. Very simple and very easy to go. And so if it is something that you're interested in, all you need to do is just be sharing the link, tell people about the Bamboo app, what it does, and you just be earning some cool dollars. And so if you want to sign up on the app, I'm going to give my referral links at the bottom of the video. Use that to sign up on the app and also invest yourself. But remember, in Bamboo app, before you start referring people to the app and earning money, you yourself need to have also invested so that you can understand how the app works. Which is why you need to also download the app, install it, whether Apple or Android. You can, I mean, it's on both stores, so you don't have a problem with that. Now, the third app, which is also a very popular app in Ghana, is the Achieve by Petra app. If you know what the app is, you know that they are into different kinds of investments on the app. And the Achieve app is actually owned by Petra, which is licensed and all the regulations. They have met all the regulatory requirements, so it's a safe app. Now, what they do is that basically they have different forms of investments on the app. They have the Eurobond Trust, they have the DigiSafe. I mean, they have Global Tech. There are different forms of investments on the app, and this is for anybody that even wants to invest. It's something you should look at doing. And so if you want to, sign up on the app and the rest, use my code at the bottom of the screen. That's my referral code to do so, or sign up on the link in the description. Now, remember, this is how it works. Anytime you refer your code to somebody and the person signs up and makes their first investment, you get 10 points. That on Achieve, the 10 points is convertible to 10 Ghana cedis. And so it means you're basically getting 10 cedis anytime somebody you refer someone, the person signs up and invests. No matter the amount they invest, you get 10 Ghana cedis. Very simple. And so if you want that 10 Ghana cedis, Imagine if you get 100 people, imagine how many you're going to get. You get 1,000 people, multiply by 10. You get 10,000 people, you multiply by 10. And you can convert it right into cash. It's very simple. So there are a lot of things out there for you. Now, somebody may ask, like, I would like to invest in the US stock market, but I don't know how to go about it. If you would like to invest in the US stock market, invest in the Ghanaian stock market, and you find it a bit cumbersome and you feel like, this is too crazy, I don't know how to go about it. It's actually very simple. So you can also start earning money in dollars or from the stock market in Ghana. Just click on go to the link in the description and choose the one that says book a consultation, book a video call with me. You get 50% off anytime you want to book a consultation with me if you use that link. So guys, we will talk more next time.